It is a beautiful dreary day here in South Carolina, and let's go to Target to go couponing with me. Now, before we get started, I want to ask you guys to please join me on my Instagram channel. So, my Instagram channel is called Praising and Saving. And once you've done that, you'll be entered into a gift card giveaway for a $10 Target gift card. That's right. So, all you do is go to Instagram, like my page, Praising and Saving, come back here and please comment that you have done so. So, comment that you are now following, and that will help me out a ton. As always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. No need to write any of these deals down. Just pull it up. It's in the description box. It's called Printable Breakdown. Let's go ahead and get started on these deals for November the 26th until I believe December the 2nd. Let's go. Always check your Target Circle app because they do give a promotion sometimes. This week I got the promotion of if you spend $30, you get $5 off. Every dollar counts. This actually expired for me today, so I'm glad I was finally able to use it. But always check your Target Circle app for these special offers that you may have. I was so excited to get this $5 off. First deal is going to be on this Febreze. I actually picked up the air kind. We use this one at work. These are $3.29. We have a $2 off on the Target app, which makes this an easy peasy deal. You don't have to use IBOTTA or anything else. And it made this can of Febreze just $1.29 at the register. Super easy deal to start us off. Next, we have this Lysol laundry sanitizer. This is great to have right now. We have the cold and flu season upon us. And mine says it's labeled at $7.29, but at the register, it was actually $6.99. We have a $3 coupon on the Target app, so that $3 will come off at the register, making this $3.99. And then there's a $2.50 back from IBOTTA. So with the $3 back from the $3 back at the register and the $2.50 back, it's going to make this laundry sanitizer just $1.49. Great to go ahead and stock up to be able to wash blankets and different things in the house as we have 6 kiddos. Really great deal on this Suavitel laundry softener. These are usually $8.49, but they're 20% off. And they'll be $6.79 at the register. I know that doesn't seem like it's 20% off, but Target always does some very weird percentages off. Even though they say it's 20%, it doesn't seem like it. So $6.79 at the register. Then after that, we do have a $2 Target coupon for these. So in addition to that 20% off, you have a $2 Target coupon. So you'll pay $4.79 at the register. And then at IBOTTA, you'll get back $2.50. So with the coupon, the 20% off, and the IBOTTA, you're left to pay $2.29 for the Suavitel. Now, if you're not signed up for IBOTTA, please check my description box. There is a referral code. You'll get $10 back just for signing up and submitting your first deal with IBOTTA. Easy deal on this Pomalo liquid detergent. This is going to be just 69 cents after the deals that I show you. So this is the Pomalo I always get. It's $3.19. Now the other ones are a little bit more pricier if you prefer like the one that's pure and clear. That's the same size. I think they're like $4.25. But this one's $3.19. Then what you're going to do is the coupon on the Target app is for $1.50 off. In addition to that, we're going to head on over to IBOTTA. There's a $1 back. So with the $1.50 coupon and the $1 back from IBOTTA, your total will be just 69 cents. So I have a bundle deal for you, and what that means is that this deal is going to be a gift card deal. So you're going to be buying 4 items here and getting a $5 gift card. Now in this transaction, I was able to get all 4 of these items for $4.96 or about $1.24 per item, which is an awesome, awesome deal. And I didn't even realize it, but I got more savings when I got home, which I was excited about. So the first thing I did was I picked up 3 of these Old Spice deodorants. They are $5.99. Your total is going to be $17.97. You're going to submit to IBOTTA for a high-valued $9 back for these. So your total after you get the $9 back is going to be $8.97 for all 3 deodorants, but then there's more. So then you're going to get this Colgate toothbrush. This Colgate toothbrush is the 2 count, the Colgate 360. It's listed at my store for $6 and something, so I took a picture of what the app said. The app was actually cheaper, but it said it was $5.99 at the register. We do have a $3 circle offer on this toothbrush, so automatically at the register, it's going to be 50% off. It's going to be just $3 at the register, but it gets better than that. Then you're going to submit to IBOTTA for $2 back on Colgate manual toothbrushes. So with that $2 back and that $3 coupon, it made that toothbrush just 99 cents. But don't forget, you're also going to get back that $5 gift card when you check out, that you'll be able to use that $5 gift card on your next transaction. So with the IBOTTA rebate on the Old Spice, the IBOTTA rebate on the Colgate, the coupon on the Colgate, and the $5 you're going to get back in the gift card, your total for these items are $4.96 or about $1.24 each. Awesome deal. Don't go anywhere. I still have more deals to show you, but I do want to show you the printable breakdown. The printable breakdown is in the description box. I make this for you guys so you can use it. And as you can see, it's color coordinated with different deals. The color coordination is for the gift card bundle, so I try to put those together for you guys so you don't have a bunch of different confusion. You know that if it's blue, it goes with this gift card bundle. If it's green, so on and so forth. So it's there for you guys. But please make sure that you go to my Instagram channel during this video. Make sure you like my Instagram channel and then come back here and let me know in the comments that you did that. If you do, you'll be entered into the gift card giveaway for a $10 Target gift card. This is probably my favorite deal of the day. This is on the Hammer Detergent. I am such a big fan of Hammer products, the toothpaste, all those things. So we're going to be getting this detergent for, let's see, $4.32 per jug. Now, this is part of the buy 3, get a $10 gift card. So what you're going to do is pick up 3 of these. They're $12.19 each. Your total will be $36.57. Then you're going to submit to IBOTTA for $4 back on each one. So you're going to get back $12 from IBOTTA. In addition to that, remember, we're getting back that $10 gift card. And then if you head on over to Fetch, with Fetch, you're able to get $1.60 back every time you spend $13. And so you'll be able to max out on these and get $4.80 on this Arm & Hammer by spending this much. So this is just a good deal all around. For me, I was able to get it for about $4.32 after everything's said and done. My favorite deal of the day. So I also did this bundle deal, and I do want to have a disclaimer on this. When I did the Arm & Hammer in the last transaction and in this one, I did them all together. And the reason I made sure I had all the Arm & Hammer on the same receipt is because whenever I submitted to IBOTTA, you have to have all of them together in order to make sure that you can submit them to IBOTTA. Remember, on IBOTTA, it's up to 5 times. So I wanted to make sure it was all on the same receipt whenever I submitted to IBOTTA so I can get all that money back. So just be careful. Don't try to do separate transactions for these because you need to make sure the Arm & Hammers are all together if you do multiple types. So this is the second one I did. This is the buy 3, get $10 gift card back. And I got the Arm & Hammer that you see here, a Gain Fireworks, and a Downy Unstoppables. The The total for all three of these items will be $8.57 or $2.85 each for these three items. Remember, we're going to be getting that $10 gift card after we purchase these three items. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick up the Gain fireworks. These are like the Gain scent beads. These are $9.99. There is a $2 circle offer on the Target app. Then after that, you're going to submit your receipt for $2 back to IBOTTA. So after the coupon and the IBOTTA rebate, each Unstoppable will be $5.99. Then you're going to pick up the Downy Unstoppable scent beads. These are also $9.99. There is a $2 Target coupon on the app for that. And then you're going to also be able to submit for the same IBOTTA offer we submitted for the Gain Unstoppables. So you'll be able to get $2 back as well for that. So again, this is going to be $5.99 for that. And then the last thing you'll do is you'll pick up one of these Arm & Hammer detergents. These are $12.19. You're going to submit to IBOTTA for $4 back. In addition, you're going to get back $1.60 from Fetch. Now, after everything is said and done and you've picked up three of these products and you've gotten back the IBOTTA offers and also using the Target coupons, you're going to get back that $10 gift card at the end of your transaction for buying three of these items. So that's going to make everything a deal at $2.85 each. We have a total freebie on these Oreo cones. They're usually $5.99 and we're spending absolutely nothing. So with the 25% off, your total at the register ended up being $3.52 for these. And I think you can also do the Oreo bars or just the regular Oreos. So just check those out. But $3.52 at the register. Then you'll submit to IBOTTA for $2 back. And you can do this up to 5 times if you wanted to, but I didn't. I just got one. And then you're going to head on over to Shopkicks. And with the scans and kicks, it's 380 scans and kicks. That will be $1.52 you'll get back from Shopkicks. Now, it's a limit of 3 with Shopkicks. So you could get 3 boxes and be able to submit it 3 times back for IBOTTA and 3 times back from Shopkicks, making this a total freebie on these Oreo cones. Next item is for this Kraft Deluxe Macaroni and Cheese. This is found in the frozen section, not on the regular aisle. Now, this macaroni and cheese is $3.49, but it's 30% off, and it will make it $2.45 at the register. So I already have some savings on there. In addition to that, there is a $2 IBOTTA rebate on the app, and this can be done up to 5 times if you want to. With this $2 IBOTTA rebate, it's going to make these just 45 cents each. These Lean Cuisine Balance Bowls look really yummy. I got a bunch of different types, but I picked up one of the roasted eggplant with Parmesan pasta. So these are usually $4.69. They're on sale for $3.49. But there is a 25% off offer on the Target app. So it's going to bring the price down from $4.69 to $2.62. But it gets better. There's also a $1.50 IBOTTA rebate. That can be done up to 5 times. So with the percentage off and the $1.50 IBOTTA rebate, it's going to make each of these Lean Cuisine bowls just $1.12 each. The last bundle I got with the buy 3, get a $10 gift card was another one of the Arm & Hammer detergents, a Tide Clean Boost, and an Airwick Essential 5-pack. It was $7.07 or about $2.36 each. That's a really awesome deal. I've never used this Tide Clean Boost, but I will be using it shortly. Now remember, guys, make sure you buy all your Arm & Hammer on the same receipt so you can submit to IBOTTA in one. So $12.19 again on the 106 load of the OxyClean Arm & Hammer. Getting back $4 from IBOTTA. In addition to that, we're also getting back $1.60 from Fetch. Now, for this Tide Clean Boost is $12.99. I was hoping that both of the coupons that you see here on the Target app were going to come off and stack, but it didn't. So only one of these came off on the app. So that brought the total down to $10.99. We also have a very high valued IBOTTA rebate on these. The rebate is $5.50 for one of those. So I haven't seen a rebate on one of these Tide Clean Boosts. I'm kind of excited about it, but $5.50. If you don't want to get the Tide kind, you can get the Downy kind. This will work on this deal either if it's Tide or Downy. And the last thing you're going to do is pick up one of these Airwick 5-packs. They are $11.99. There's a high-valued $7 IBOTTA rebate on these. So all three of these items in one transaction together, remember you're getting back that $10 gift card. It's going to make everything after your rebates and your coupons $7.07 or $2.36 each. I always like to show you guys any of the receipts that I have, and this is all my Ibotta receipts. I did two transactions. I did a transaction that had the bundle of the spend buy three, get a $10 gift card. You see that there. I got back $36.50 for those 9 offers. And then I also got back $31 for the 13 offers on the second transaction. In total, everything cost about $170, and I only spent $37.90. There's also the Fetch receipt that I submitted for all 5 of those Arm & Hammers, and I was able to get back 4,800 Fetch points, or about $4.80 in Fetch rewards on there. I also got back the Shopkicks, which was equivalent to $1.52. And then, of course, all the coupons you saw on the video. All right, guys, remember, don't forget to head on over to my Instagram channel, Praising and Saving. Like my channel. When you've done so, please make sure that you tell me in the comments that you have liked that channel, or tell me your favorite deal of the day. When you've liked my Instagram channel, you'll be entered into a $10 gift card giveaway. I will see you guys next one in the Publix video on Wednesday. Thanks.